Hi guys, Portia here, and today we are going to talk about how to use the Vevor Heat Press. So a few months ago I did a video on the device itself, like a review. And in that review, I talked about the instructions. So the instructions that Vevor provides are, this is what this button does, this is what this button does, but it does not give a guide on, step A, step B, number one, number two. It doesn't do that at all. I was in the comments today and a young lady named Nikki goes, there are no instructions out there. And she is absolutely correct. So today, guys, I'm just going to show you how I use mine, and I hope it helps. So here we have the instructions, like I mentioned, what this button does, what this does, what this does, what this does, but not actually how to use it. So let's talk about how to use it. We are going to start making sure our machine is plugged up, of course, and we are going to do a long hold on the little person here. All right, so now we see that it's on Celsius. In order to change it to Fahrenheit, we just hold plus and minus at the same time. So now we're on Fahrenheit, and that you can easily switch back and forth between the two. I prefer Fahrenheit. So now what it's actually doing is heating up, but while it's doing that, we can also move on to set the rest of our settings. So if you hit the little gear there, we'll leave it on 300, but if you wanted it to be lower or higher, you could do that. So we'll leave it at 300. And then we hit the little gear again, and it'll allow us to set our time. So, oops, let me go back. And then more or less, depending upon what your press needs. Let's put it on 5 seconds. And then if we press our little person, it will start to count down. So now we are actually pressing, and it's all done. It's letting us know by beeping. We press that and it's done. So if you have a model like I have, this is the 10 by 10, and it will have a little plug here for you to plug in either your mug or your hat press. Now, when the little lever here is down, that means it's sending heat to the actual press itself. When the lever is up, it would be sending heat to, like I said, your either hat press or your mug press. So the system that I have came with the actual hat press. I got it for my husband. He asked me to press a hat, and this was the perfect excuse to get this whole setup. Didn't need this, but I got it anyway. So yeah. Now the other piece is that it has a vibration setting. In order to get to the vibration setting, we are going to hold down all three, the plus, the minus, and the little person. That helps us to either turn the vibration setting off, on, or just to adjust how much vibration we add to whatever we're pressing. So let's see. And this is a little bit cumbersome. So now I just turned it on, and it's like saying 1-to-1, but oops, let me go back in there. We gotta be quicker than that. Oops. See, this is not. I usually do have it on the setting, but for the video, I actually turned it off. So let's see if I can get back in there. I think my nails are in the way. There we go. So now we can add more. So it goes all the way up. Or either we can take it all the way down, which is, I had it at 0 before. But if we take it up even a little bit, we leave it at that, put that back there. So now you hear that while it's pressing, it's vibrating, and you have the option to give it more or less depending upon what you want to do. Okay guys, so if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you want to see anything else about this machine or even how to use the hat press, let me know. I'll absolutely do a video on it. If you haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe to Color Me Portia. And until next time, peace.